Everybody done the exercise? Yeah, 1 second, I will give. 8141. Yeah. Talwar? Vani, can you see my desktop? Okay. Okay. So what we discussed with you yesterday? Ruthi? What we discussed yesterday? Universe creation. Adding the required tables to the universe structure. Okay. For Oracle, how many tables I added to satisfy the end user requirements? Okay. For motors, okay. For extreme, orders and order details. For e-fashion, product underscore promotion underscore facts, outlet lookup. For club, country, region, resort. These are the respective tables list to the respective universes based on the requirements. Okay. Then what is the third step of the universe creation? Why do we need the join? Making the joins. Very good. Avoiding the Cartesian. What is that? That means lot of duplicate rows. That means, let us suppose, for Oracle, he has given the report like one report, employee number, employee name, job and salary. That is one report. And the second report, employee name or employee number, department name, their grade. That is the second report he has given. Okay. Based on the requirements, first see the employee number, employee name and job and salary. To create the report, what I told you, you can use your local desktop. What is the tool? Webby for online. We can discuss that one later. But testing the purpose of universe creation, testing the universe and creating the reports in your local desktop, you have a tool, Desktop Intelligence. Authentication is required. Yeah, can anybody create a report? Shruti? Yeah. Shruti, can you hear me? Yeah, please click on begin. Next, let's take any Oracle universe is there. Yesterday, have we created any universe? Yeah, I think we created. One second, I think we have already created one universe. Okay, let me open the universe first. This is the, let us suppose, universe. Those are the tables are added actually. So the required tables are added. To create the reports, what we have to do with the automatic creation of the class and objects. Just, yeah, just drag and drop. Then the class and objects will create. Now the universe creation is over. Let us suppose designer said to the report developers, go for the report creation. First to reflect that chain or close and create from scratch. The designer told the report developers, left hand side is ready, go for report creation. Then the report developers, what they will do, they can use the reporting tool to testing purpose or creating the reports in your local desktop. There is a desktop intelligence. Yeah. Now, Shruti. Yeah, begin. Next. Universe name is Inder Oracle, I think. Name is Inder Oracle. Yeah. Finish. Now you can see you are a report developer. See the left hand side automatically. Whatever the designer has maintained. See the report requirement, what the end user has given the report requirement. First report, see employee number, employee name, and job and salary. Can you create that report? Employee number, employee name. Double click on that. It will come easily. Employee number, employee name, job, and salary. You have right hand side run button here. Report will generate. Okay, this is the first report. Without any errors, we got the result. Okay, save this. File, click on save, create a new one. Provide any name you can provide. Give any name, no problem. While saving. Save it. And create a new one. Close this report. Only this report, not the entire session. Go to the file menu, create new one. Begin. Next. What is the universe? No, that is not yours. Okay, cancel. Yeah. Scroll down. There is a Inder Oracle. Yeah. Finish. Then see the second report. See the second report. Wait. Second report I will show you. Okay. See the second report. Employee number, department name, and grade. Create the report. Yeah, why it is giving the error? Anybody guess? Exactly. See the first report. See the first report. First report, we didn't get any error. Why? Exactly. That information is coming from only single table. Okay. But the second report, whatever he mentioned, employee number belongs to employee table, department name belongs to department table, the grade information belongs to sal grade table. Okay. So three different tables the information is coming. But in the universal level, do you have a joins are there? Nothing is created. Only tables are there. That is the need of the third step. What is the need of the third step? To avoid this problem. What is that? Cartesian product. So that is the basic fundamental concept. Whenever we need the information from more than one table, must and should have the joins between them. Can anybody define what is the join? Anybody? What is a join? Very good. Connection. Yeah. Connection between the tables. Simply we can define connection between the tables, or I can say relation between the tables. Then the BO, how many types of joins we are going to create based on the requirements? 4 types of joins. Okay. First one is inner join, similar to your equi-join concept in the database. Equi-join concept in the database. Okay. Anybody have knowledge what is equi-join in the database level? Same thing here also. Using the common column and equal to operator. If you define the join using the common column equal to operator. Example, I have an employee table. Okay. I have a department table. The fields like employee number, employee name, and job, and department number. These are the fields are available for employee, department table, department number, department name, and location. What is the common column between the department table and employee table? Very good. Then we can define the join employee dot department number equal to department of department number. This is the join. This is the inner join using the common column and equal to operator. If you define the join, then it is the inner join. Here everything is a graphical. Shruti, how to create a join? Come to the Universe Designer. Go to the Insert menu. Click on the join box. Yeah. See the left hand side, table 1, right hand side, table 2. Table 1, if you want to use the employee, then choose the table 2 as a department. Either way also you can select, no problem. What is the common column? Very good. Left hand side, right hand side. Yeah, select the right hand side department number. Then automatically equal to operator is appearing. Everything is graphical, okay? Ruddhi, can you see? Okay, click on OK. This is the inner join. Now you created a join, am I right? Now, first save it. File, click on save. Now you can create a report from these 2 tables, okay? Go to the report creation. What is the desktop intelligence? Testing purpose or creating the reports in offline. Before going to create new one, this reporting application already open. You went to the Universe Designer, you have done some modification. But how to reflect those changes here? Go to the Tools menu. Click on the Universes. Then refresh button. There is a refresh button. Please click on that. Then the changes will be reflect here also. Close this. Now create new one. Begin. Next. What is the universe name? Indra Oracle. Yeah. Finish. Now can you create a report? Employee number, employee name, job, from the department. Yeah, job also you can take. From the department name can you take? Now run the report. Did you get any error? Why? Exactly. We already created a join. If you want to observe that join, if you want to go back, this is the report pan. If you want to go back to your query panel where we created a query, that is the option editing, edit data provider. then automatically it's going back to the your query panel. Here you have a SQL option. If you click on the SQL, then automatically see the SQL behind that query. Is there any join is there? Exactly, the last statement. It is the join. That is the inner join. How can you say? Because it is a common column is there and equal to operator is there. Then what is the output? Output what we got? Nothing but the match records. That means input data you have like employee of department number. You have the records like 10, 20, 30, where the department table has 10, 20, 30 and 40. Then the output is, what is the output? Very good, 10, 20, 30. That means match records only. That is the use of inner join. To get the match records, most of the times, 90% of the end users, they will expect only match records from both the tables. That is, if you want to observe, let's first save this report as a report 2. If you want to observe, then create a new report. Take the universe. First take the employee of department number. Run the report. How many records we have? 3 records. For going back, data, editing. Remove this department number. Drag the department of department number. How many records we have? How many department numbers? 4 department numbers. Data, editing. Now I am going to combine with employee information. Anyone. Just take the department number. Now run the report. What data we got finally? Why we got only 3? Exactly. The common records are only these 3 only. So please remember, whenever the end user expecting the common data between the tables, please use the inner join. That is the use of the inner join. Clear? Then I will give some exercises to you. You can do it in your home, okay? First one, see the club. Second one, e-fashion. Third one is the motors. First club I am opening. If you are not created, then create from scratch. That is club universe you have to create using the club connection or club baby connection. Both are there. Club and club baby both are same. Use the club baby. Please create a universe. And these are the requirements. You have to create 5 reports. Okay. See the report 1. Report 1, I am expecting the information. Please observe country ID and country. So this information is coming from the, I mentioned the table name also, country table. See the second report. Please create a region name and region ID. This information is coming from the region table. I have given the table names also. Right hand side, resort and resort ID. Then that information is coming from the resort. To satisfy the first 3 reports, no need of any join concept. See the 4th report. Report 4, if you want to satisfy, that is country name and region name. If you want to create this report, then automatically in the universe level, must and should have the join between them. Please create a inner join between country and region. See the fifth report. Please create a region and resort name. To create this fifth report, master should have the join between region and resort. So from this notepad, so what I'm expecting from you in the universal level, please add 3 tables and 2 joins. Using the desktop intelligence, try to create 5 reports. That is your first exercise. Requirement is clear, or do I need to explain? If anybody is not clear, please tell me. Vruddhi? Okay. Shruti? Okay. Then, second notepad I am opening. See the E fashion. If you are not created universe, then create from scratch again. Please use that connection. Please create a new universe. And see the report 1. The report 1, the requirement is article ID, article label, and category. So this information is coming from the left hand side. I mentioned the table name. Okay. Then the second step, second report, year, quarter, and month. This information left hand side I have mentioned the table name. See the third report, state and city. That information also I mentioned in the left hand side. Fourth report, article ID, amount sold and quantity sold. If you want to get this report, must and should have the join between article and shop facts. See the fifth report. If you want to satisfy the fifth report, must and should have the join between calendar and shop facts. See the sixth report. If you want to satisfy sixth report, must and should have the join between outlet and shop facts. See the seventh report, year and promotion cost. To get this information, must and should have the join between calendar and product. So finally, what I'm expecting from this notepad, please create the 7 reports using the desktop intelligence. Please create the universe with the 5 tables and 4 inner joins. Please create all our inner joins. Okay? Clear? Any queries from this notepad? You have to create 7 plus 5, 12 reports. 2 universes, 12 reports. 1 for club and 1 for e-fashion. From the club, 5 reports. From the e-fashion, 7 reports. Totally 12 reports you have to create. And the third notepad, so create a new universe. If you already created, no problem. Otherwise, create from scratch. Create a new universe using the motors connection, which is given from the motors MDB file. So you have to implement a ODBC connection because it's MDB file. And please create a universe. From that, I am expecting 9 reports. Report 1, only country name is enough. As a report 1, please mention the country name. Second report, take all the information from that region. Third report, take all the information. Fourth report, only S information. Fifth report, all the information from the showroom. Report 5. Sixth report, to satisfy the sixth report, then you need a join. Between what tables? Country and region. Please use the inner join only. See the sixth report and seventh report also. Please use the inner join. And eighth report, please use the inner join. So all are inner joins, okay? Then ninth report also inner join. So from this notepad, what I'm expecting, please create 9 reports using the desktop intelligence. Please create the universe with your 5 tables and 4 joins. These are the 3 notepads. 3 notepads are belongs to 3 different universes. Totally 21 reports you have to create. Any queries? I will send these notepads into the Skype. Okay. So that is the inner join. What is the use of the inner join? Nothing but a equi-join concept in the database. Then automatically the output is the matched records. That is the first join. I told you, I said four types of joins. 4 types of join. This is the first join. What is that? Inner join. Okay. Vruddhi has given the requirement. Let us suppose she is the end user to us. She said that I want to see only match record. That is the reason we created the inner join. But Shruti is the end user. She expecting along with the matched records, I want to see the unmatched data also. Then here what is the unmatched data in this example? Please observe. One department number is the extra one. Which department number it is? Department number 40. Very good. Okay. Now Shruti expecting that data also. She expecting 10, 20, 30 and also 40. That means to get the matched data and unmatched data. Very good. To get the matched and unmatched data, please use the outer join concept. That is the second join. Your second join is nothing but outer join. So outer joins are 2 types. Okay. Left outer and right outer. What is the left outer join? Left side table of all the data and right hand side only matched data. Okay, let's see here. Come to the inverse designer, Shruti. If you want to edit the existing one, then double click on the join between them. Existing join, if you want to modify, double click on join. Here, which one is the left hand side table and which one is the right hand side table? Very good. Left hand side is the department table and right hand side is the employee table. Now, which table contain more data? Is it a department or employee? I am asking, please observe, which department number, which table of the department number contain more records? Department, not employee. If you want to observe, right click, column values. How many distinct values we have? We have 4 distinct values. When it comes to employee of department number, how many distinct values we have? Only 3. That means department table of the department number has more department numbers. Okay. Instead of going to the insert menu, click on the join menu. Simply I can drag and drop. Please select the department number, slowly drag and drop. Then defaultly it is inner join. If you want to edit now, you can double click on it. Shruti, can you double click on it? Yeah. Now that is inner join using the common column and equal to operator. But to Shruti expecting unmatched data also. Matched data and unmatched data. Okay. Now there is a check boxes, outer join check boxes. Yeah. Now which table contain more data? That is department table of the department number contain more data. Enable the checkbox. Yes. Click on OK. That is left outer. If you are enable the left hand side, then that is left outer join. Now come to the report level. Yeah. First reflect the change because we have done some modification. Tools, universes, refresh. Refresh. Now, without doing anything, just refresh the data. Data menu, refresh option. Yeah, refresh option is there. Now can you see? We have the 10, 20, 30 and also 40th department number. Why we got the unmatched data? Exactly. If you go to the inverse designer, what we implemented? We implemented outer join concept. The use of outer join, left hand side, left outer join. What is that? Left hand side of the all the table data. From the right hand side, only matched data. That is the reason left hand side is a department. It is retrieved all the information from the department. From the right hand side, that is employee, only taking the matched data. That is left outer join. Any queries? Vani, Vruddhi, Deepan. Shruti, is it clear? So that is left outer join. Let us suppose I have a table like this. I created a join like that. That is inner join. Whenever you are drag and dropping, that is defaultly inner join. Double click on it. Now my left hand side is the employee table, okay? And right hand side is the department table. Now I am expecting the matched data from the unmatched data and matched data from the department. That means department table of the all the data, matched data of the left hand side. Now this time right outer join, because department table contains the more department numbers. This is right outer join. Click on OK. Save it. Tools, inverses, refresh. Data will not be changed because the same thing. Previously I placed the left hand side, implemented the left outer join. Now I place in the right hand side, right outer join. So to get the matched data and unmatched data, we can use this outer join concept. Please remember, inner join only for matched data, outer join to get the matched and unmatched data. If it is left outer, left hand side of all the data. If it is right outer, right hand side of all the data. Those are the two joins, inner and outer. See the third join. This is different, Theta join. Nothing but using the between operator. Let us suppose you don't have the common column. For inner join and outer join, must and should have the common column. One table has the department number, the same column is available in the second table also. Using the common column I implemented your inner and outer join. Okay, see the employee and salary. Do you have any common column there? For inner join and outer join, we implemented using common column. But we don't have the common column. Then we can't implement the inner and outer. Must and should, there should be another join. That is Theta join. So what is the use of the Theta join? Nothing but between operator. In the inner and outer, we implemented equal to operator. But here, between operator. How you want to define? That is one of the table of the field. That is employee.salary in this example. Between salary grade of the range low and high. See the example here. Employee table of the one of the field is between of the another table of the range. What field it is? Employee table of one of the field. Very good. Employee dot salary is existing between the range of another table of the ranges. Okay. Let's see example. Sorry, join. Insert. Join. What is the left hand side table? Employee. Right hand side table? Salary grade. salary field, right hand side low salary. How to select the more than one column? Please use the control button, then the high salary, then automatically see the operator. The operator, what it is showing? Between operator. This is the operator between. Click on OK, then automatically see the join representation. The employee dot salary between of another table of the range. Then I can say it's a theta join. Anybody will try? Vani will try one example. Here I am taking a table model. Okay. I am taking one more table, sales price range. Okay. I need the report from these two tables. Then automatically must and should you need to create a join. Will you create an inner join and outer join there? But how to create a join? Insert menu. Join. Vruddhi, help to her. Very good. Yes. Then? Very good. Model price. Yes. Model price. Use the control button. Use the control button. Please add both the columns. Then automatically see that. Oh, it's style ID. Yes. Model price. Yeah. Please add. Just click on the model price. Model price. Just yeah. Then automatically it is created. Click on OK. Yes. We created successfully. One more example. Anything? Okay. Extreme. I think I will connect to another username. Anything? Okay. I have a customer table. Okay. I don't have the age table actually. If I have a customer and age table, then I can automatically the customer table of age will be available in the another table of the range. Okay, those three are enough, I think. Okay, so that is the way where we can create a theta join using the between operator. If you define the join, then that is the theta join. We are calling as theta join here. Very important question for the interview. They will not ask about inner join and outer join. They will ask about theta join only. So you have to tell using the between operator, the table one of the field is going to exist between the another table of the range. Then we can say it's a theta join. And fourth join is self-restricting join. Actually, self-restricting join, it is not going to maintain any relation with any other table. Okay. A restriction is going to apply to single table. Going to apply for single table. Okay. Okay. So how can I apply the restriction to a single table? First example, let's see the sale table. Which one? Number motors. Any motors universe? Yep. See here. I have a sale table here. Okay. Please observe. I have a sale table. When I'm creating a report, begin, next, universe name. If you want to see what is the universe name here, file, first step. What is the universe name? Chinamso Motors. So create a report from Chinamso Motors. Now see the sale table. How many we have? Sale types. Very good. Two types are there. Actually, sale type are equal to that table name should be rental. But what is the table name? See the table name here in the universal level. Sale. When I am creating a sale types, I got two types. One is S and one is R. R means rental and S means sales. The table name seems to be as a sale. That should give only sales information. But it is giving the R information which is belongs to rental. Why it is appearing? Because the data loaded unfortunately in a wrong table. The table name seems to be as a sale, but they maintained both the information, sale information and rental information. Both the information they maintained. That is the reason we got the report level, two types of the sale types. But the end user is expecting only sales information. He don't want the rental information. He don't want the R information. Then how can I restrict? That is self-restriction join. Yeah, Vani, go to the insert menu. How to create a self-restriction join. Insert, same join concept. Left hand side, sale table. Right hand side, same sale table. Sale table. Right hand side also same table. Sale table. Okay. See the common column. Sorry. Based on which field you want to restrict. That field you have to select from the both the sides. Sale type. Come to the expression box. The last box is there. Expression box. Remove the equal to part, right hand side part. No, here in the expression. In the expression box, please remove the right hand side part. Give the value single quotes yes. Single quotes, capital yes. Capital. Click on OK. Now see the table at the sale type level underscore is showing to you. That means this table was restricted for sale type where sale type equal to yes. When it comes to report, come to the report. First reflect the change. How to reflect the change? Tools, universes, then refresh. Then the universe changes will be reflected here. Now just refresh the data without doing anything. Just go to the data menu, refresh. Close this box. Go to the data menu. There is a refresh icon. Then what data we got? Only sales. Why? Exactly. So we restricted. That is self-restriction. It is not going to join with any other table. It is just a restriction to a particular table based on the field. That is self-restriction join. Self-restriction join, it is not at all a join with any other table. It is just a restriction to applying to a single table. That is the self-restriction join. These are the four types of joins. So that is your third step of the universe creation, making the joins. Clear? We completed three steps: universe parameter, adding the required tables, and the third step, making the joins. Okay, clear? So before coming to the tomorrow class, please complete the all the exercises what I have given. 21 reports, yes, yes. Okay. Is it difficult? Is it difficult?